Hi everyone and welcome to the Interpreter's Kitchen. So today I would like to share with you my favorite recipe for Turkish-style savory pastry, which is called Poğaça in Turkish. So it's really popular in Turkey and it's mostly served for breakfast or afternoon teas. And I can say it's like dinner rolls, but it has a filling, which I think is better because they're fluffy, soft, and delicious dinner rolls with a filling. So, I mean, how better could it get? You should definitely give it a try, and I promise you won't regret it. So now, enough with talking, let's jump right into the recipe. In a large bowl, add some active dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 eggs. Whisk them together. Add half a tablespoon of salt, half a cup of oil, and whisk again. 200 grams of warm butter and all-purpose flour. Please be careful while adding the flour because if you add too much at once, then your dough will turn out stiff and your pastry will do as well. So your dough should be really soft and it could be a little sticky. Then cover your dough with plastic wrap and let it rise for 30 to 45 minutes until it doubles in size. And make sure to let it sit in a warm place. Now I added a little bit more flour after taking off the wrap. You may or you may not, it depends on your dough, on the consistency of your dough. Okay, now it's time to shape. As you can see, I am taking a small piece of dough and then putting it into my palm and press down with my other palm to make room for the filling. Then sealing the edges. Now it's time for the egg wash. I'm using 2 eggs because one of my eggs had 2 yolks, so that's why I'm using 2 eggs. Sprinkling some sesame seeds and black seeds together. And for the second tray, I'm using blue poppy seeds, which looks very good too. By the way, you can add an extra yolk for them to turn out extra golden brown. Bake in a preheated oven after you let them rise again in the tray for 20 minutes. And now they're out. They're soft and delicious and fluffy. As you can see, they're so soft and I really like the texture. The good thing is they are really filling, so you can take them out with you as a snack or you can put them in your kid's lunch pack, things like that. By the way, you can put whatever you like inside. In this video, I put feta cheese, white cheese, classic Turkish white cheese, but there are so many options like cheese or potato filling. It's like cooked potatoes with onions and herbs and maybe some meat like mince. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, the Turkish poğaça, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And I hope to see you next time with another Turkish recipe, inshallah. If you have any questions or requests, please comment them down below.